Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to dive into one of the most effective and amazingly simple strategies for day trading. Yeah, you heard me right. It's amazingly simple, okay? If you are a day trader or a scalper, then this strategy is for you, okay? We're going to be discussing the 21.55 moving average strategy, okay? If you are looking for a straightforward and effective trading technique that you can start using right away in Forex, stocks, or even crypto, then this video is for you. Now, before we jump into the details of the strategy, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not done that already. This will help you stay updated with more valuable trading tips, strategies, and techniques to level up your trading game, okay? Now, let us talk about the strategy. The 21.55 moving average strategy uses two simple indicators, which are the 21 period moving average and the 55 period moving average. Okay, so this is the 21 period moving average, and this is the 55 period moving average. Okay, now these two moving averages work together to help identify the market trends and give you signals for when to enter or exit a trade. It's not complicated, okay, but it's highly effective, making it perfect for both day trading and scalping. Now, what are moving averages? If you are new to trading, a moving average is a line that smooths out price data over a specific period of time. The 21 period moving average tracks the short-term price movement, while the 55 period moving average tracks the longer-term price movement. Now, the 21 moving average is more sensitive to price changes, so it reacts quicker, while the 55 period moving average is slower and gives you a more stable view of the overall trend. Okay, now let us talk about how to set this up on your chart. All right, first of all, you want to make sure that you've got both the 51 period and the 21 period, both the 21 period and the 55 period moving averages on your chart. Okay, most trading platforms offer them, whether you are using the MetaTrader or the TradingView or others. Okay, these platforms make it easy to add moving averages by simply searching for them, in the indicator section. So after you have done that, you have to choose the right time frame. This strategy works well across different time frames, but for day trading and scalping, I recommend using shorter time frames like the 5-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, or the 1-hour chart. All right, the key here is to keep an eye on the market's momentum, right? And then you should set the colors right. Okay, to make things clearer on your chart, I suggest setting the 21 period moving average to a color that is clearly different from that of the 55 period moving average. Okay, so this will make it easy to spot when the two lines cross. All right, now let us get into the meat of the strategy, which is the signals. Now, for a bullish signal, right? For a bullish signal, when the 21 period moving average crosses above the 55 period moving average, this is a bullish signal. It indicates that short-term momentum is moving upward, and it's a good time to consider entering a buy position. Then, for a bearish signal, it occurs when the 21 period moving average crosses below the 55 period moving average. This is a bearish signal, right? It suggests that the market is moving downward, and it's a good time to consider entering a sell position. Now, you might be wondering, why does this strategy work so well? Well, the 21.55 moving average strategy is effective because it captures momentum shifts in the market. By waiting for the crossovers, you are trading in the direction of the current trend, which reduces your risk of entering against the market. Okay. Additionally, this strategy works well across Forex, stocks, and crypto markets because it is adaptable to any market type. Now, whether you are trading a volatile cryptocurrency or a more stable Forex pair, the 21.55 moving average strategy helps you ride the trend with confidence. Now, here are a few additional tips to help you maximize the success of this strategy. First of all, ensure that you confirm with other indicators. While the 21.55 crossover is strong, it's always a good idea to confirm with other indicators. For example, you could use the relative strength index, right? You can use the RSI to get more confirmation that the trend is indeed in your favor before entering a trade, right? Then you look for pullbacks. Okay, don't just trade any crossover. You can wait for a pullback after the crossover to enter at a better price, right? For instance, if the price crosses above the 55 MA, you could wait for a small dip or retracement to enter at a more favorable level. All right, and also always use tight stop losses for scalping and day trading. The 2155 period moving average strategy works best with tight stop losses. Since you are aiming for quick moves, make sure you keep your risk under control by placing a stop loss just outside the recent swing low or high. All right. Now, in terms of risk management, always apply proper risk management rules. Okay, never risk more than a small percentage of your trading capital on a single trade. This will help you stay in the game longer and avoid heavy losses during times of market volatility. So, if you're into scalping, this strategy can actually be, an effective one because it gives you clear and fast signals. And since scalping is all about capturing small price movements, the 2155 moving average crossover allows you to quickly identify entry and exit points, okay, maximizing your trades throughout the day. All right. Now, it's also important to note that scalping works especially well on lower time frames. Okay, so you'll be trading much more frequently. Remember that scalping is aiming at capturing a lot of small price movements, right? So you're going to be focusing on smaller time frames so that you can capture those small price movements. And you'll be aiming to exit your trades quickly, right? You don't want to stay on your trades for too long since it is a scalping strategy. Remember that with scalping, speed is essential. So always be prepared to make quick decisions. Okay. And that is how you can start using the 2155 moving average scalping strategy for both day trading. You can actually use this for both day trading and scalping. All right. So it's the 2155 moving average strategy. Okay. It's a simple but highly effective way to enter trades based on momentum. Okay. So whether you are trading Forex, stocks, or crypto, this strategy will help you find those key entry points and ride the trend. So if you are ready to start using the 2155 moving average strategy, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth trading tips and strategies. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thank you for watching and good luck with your trading.